So I got an invitation to a party the other day, and I was really excited about it because I haven't been attending a good party for some time. But you know what's funny? I didn't used to feel like that. I actually hated parties. I would be more like, oh no, it's an invitation to a party. Oh no, let me check my calendar. Oh no, it's my weekend off. Oh no, it's in November, so I cannot pretend I'm going hiking alone in the mountains. It's too cold then. Oh no, oh no. Yeah, that was me. What I didn't know back then was I wasn't alone. I thought I was alone like that. Do you know they estimate around 30 to 50% of all people are introverts? And you know what's common for introverts? Yeah, you guessed it. They don't like parties. They don't like social gatherings. They don't like receptions. Do you know why you don't like parties? Well, I know why I didn't like it. I felt awkward. I felt insecure. I felt really, really uncomfortable at parties. And sometimes I even imagined that people were talking about me. It would be something like, oh, do you see that guy over there? The guy in the corner, right? He's awkward. Who is he? Who invited him? Please do me a favor next time. Don't invite him. You know what's funny? So when I didn't attend the parties, you know what I did? I was probably sitting alone watching a movie. You know which movie I would be watching? It could have been James Bond. And you know what James Bond is really good at? Of course you do. James Bond is really good at being a man. But you know what he's also good at? Attending parties. He goes to the party, he says something cool, and then he leaves, right? So I asked myself, what is it that James Bond can bring to a party that I cannot bring? So I decided I wanted to feel good at parties. And you know what? It isn't that difficult. So this course is designed for people that don't feel comfortable at parties, but do want to feel comfortable at parties. And if you keep on building the skills, you'll feel awesome at parties.